Certiport Skill Certification Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to products mentioned in this video are included in the description below. Certiport is a leading skill certification platform designed for students, professionals, and educators seeking industry-recognized credentials in technology and business fields. It specializes in certifications from globally renowned brands like Microsoft, Adobe, Autodesk, and more, helping individuals validate their skills and improve their career prospects. The platform offers a user-friendly interface for both test takers and administrators with resources like practice tests, study materials, and exam scheduling tools. Certiport exams are performance-based, simulating real-world scenarios to ensure that candidates demonstrate practical, job-relevant skills. Additionally, the platform supports remote and in-person testing, catering to flexible learning and certification needs. Certiport is ideal for educational institutions, corporate training programs, and individuals looking to build credibility in their field. Schools and training centers benefit from Certiport's certification bundles, integration into curricula, and robust reporting tools for tracking student progress. Meanwhile, individuals gain access to globally recognized credentials that can boost their resumes and professional portfolios. One standout feature is the Certiport Authorized Testing Center network, which ensures accessibility worldwide. The platform also offers digital badges upon certification, making it easy to showcase achievements on LinkedIn or personal websites. However, users should be aware that exam costs can vary depending on the certification and location, and retake policies differ for each program. Overall, Certiport delivers a comprehensive and reliable certification experience, making it a valuable tool for anyone aiming to validate their technical and professional skills. If you've used Certiport or are planning to, share your experiences in the comments. Don't forget to check the description for links to certifications and additional resources.